What's going on, guys? Back for another one. Acquisitions Lou here with Joel. As always, guys, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Pleasure to meet you. If you don't know who we are, this is Niche Wholesale, where we teach you how to build a brand and become, hopefully, a millionaire. Our niche, we do fire damage. So stay tuned. We got something cool for you guys today. What we talking about today?
Today, we're going to talk about how to come up with your rehab numbers on the fire damage properties. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We're going to go to the whiteboard today. We'll see y'all soon.
All right, guys, we're back. All right, so we're going to take it to the whiteboard. How do you calculate the rehab on a fire damage deal? It's really simple. For every 1,000 square feet equals 100,000 in rehab, okay? All right, so here's an example. So if we have a property that's 1,500 square feet, how much rehab do you think it's going to take to rehab this fire damage house, right? This is going to help you come up with your offer. So this is what we tell the seller, and this is based off experience. If the property is 1,500 square feet, the property is fire damaged, it's going to take us 150,000 to rehab it back to marketable 2024 condition. It's that simple. So that's how you come up with your rehab numbers on a fire damage property. All right, so guys, one thing you want to keep in mind is this is the worst case scenario, okay? So if, let's say, just the garage or just one room got fire damage, you still want to base your numbers off of the worst case. Why? Because in some cities, the city inspector is going to require the electrical, the this, the that get fully replaced just because the fire happened. So this is your magic number and this is your magic number. Keep these two things in mind and you guys are going to crush it when you get your numbers together to present your offer to a seller on a fire damage property. All right, guys, so one thing we're going to talk about real quick that you want to keep in mind is if the property needs to be demolished, right? So with demo properties, we typically stay away personally from those because that's just a land deal. But if it's a demos typically cost anywhere from, let's say, it just depends on area actually. There's no right number. You want to reach out on Google to contractors that do demos to get that demo cost. It can go from anywhere from 10,000 to 20,000, 30,000 to just demo the house. So hopefully you guys are in a good market where the land is worth a lot of money. So if the land's worth a lot of money, then going after a fire damage deal that's a demo is 100% worth it. So I don't have any example for you guys, but just work your numbers, work with contractors to get your numbers, especially on demo properties. This is what we use. This is our formula that we use when we come up with rehab on a fire damage property, and this gets us really good deals. All right, guys, so that was how we come up with our rehabs on fire damage properties. If you guys want to JV with us, let's say you don't know what to offer, you got the seller on the phone, you got the seller hot, they're ready to sell, but you don't know what to offer. JV with us, contact us, follow us, join our Facebook group, and we'll help you. Reach out to us and let's do deals together. All right, stand by for another one. Peace.